Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting up tools that save time. Create your Walmart account and enable email receipts so you can track prices. Open the Walmart app, allow location and notifications, and sign into the same account on desktop. This syncs local clearance with online deals. Once done, head straight to clearance and rollbacks categories and filter by % off or price. You do this because synchronized alerts plus filters expose short-term markdowns before they disappear. You'll now intensify the hunt. Scan item barcodes with the app while in store to compare online prices and spot hidden online-only markdowns. Check weekly ad cycles and visit early mornings when restocks hit clearance shelves. Walmart often tags seasonal, returned, or overstock items then. Search SKU and UPC numbers online and across marketplaces to find mismarked items and bundle savings. Since timing affects availability, set reminders for Tuesday and Saturday restock windows so you can act fast. Complete deals by saving items to your cart and applying coupons or promo codes before checkout. Choose free pickup when available to lock local prices. After purchase, keep receipts and check prices daily for possible adjustments. Walmart will often refund differences within the policy window. If a price doesn't match, take photos or screenshots and contact chat support. If unresolved, escalate to a supervisor with documented proof. This fixes glitches quickly and preserves the discount you work to find.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.